Whenever I'm at my fish vendor, I always come across Fulu, and I'm always interested in trying out a Fulu recipe. So today we are going to be making Fulu, which is going to turn out mouth-watering, delicious, and very flavorful. So grab the ingredients and let's make this delicious Fulu recipe. You're going to prep up your fresh ingredients, that is crushed garlic and ginger, onions, capsicum, tomatoes, coriander, and we're going to be using a few spices which are going to bring out some nice flavors to the Fulu. In this recipe, I'm not going to be frying my Fulu because it's already fried. If yours is not fried, just add in some cooking oil to your pan and fry the Fulu until crispy. So I'm going to get straight into cooking this delicious recipe because I've already prepped up everything. So into my pan, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to fry my onions. When your cooking oil is ready, you're going to add in 1 medium onion. Cook the onions until they have a very nice golden brown color. When your onions are ready, you're going to add in some crushed garlic and ginger. And for this recipe, I'm using 4 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized ginger. This is going to add in lots of flavor to our Fulu. So I'm going to stir in and cook for around 30 seconds until the raw garlic flavor is gone and everything is smelling so good. When ready, you're going to add in 2 large tomatoes. Reduce the flame to medium-low and stir in. Add in my seasoning. So I'm going to add in 1 beef seasoning cube, which is going to add in lots of flavor, together with some paprika, turmeric, and garlic powder. Add in tomato paste, which is going to add in a very nice tomato flavor, and also it's going to bring out a very nice red color to the Fulu. Stir in everything. While my tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to add in some hot water to my Fulu. Although my Fulu is already fried, I'm going to be washing with some hot water so that I can make sure it's clean. So I've added in around 2 cups of water. Hot water, that is. So I'm going to drain off the water. Now that my Fulu is nice and clean, I'm going to check on my tomatoes, and it's been around 2 minutes. So I'm going to use the back of my spatula and smash down the tomatoes so that they can fully cook. If you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a splash of water so that your tomatoes can fully cook. When ready, you're going to add in your Fulu to your tomato sauce that is looking so delicious. Then you're going to stir in. Add in half a cup of water. Bring the flames to high. Then I'm going to wait for around a minute. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, I'm going to be adding in some more salt to perfect the seasoning. I have some capsicum over here and coriander together with the lemon that I'm going to be squeezing in a few. So adding in a little bit of water is going to ensure that the Fulu soaks in all the seasoning and softens up so that it can be so delicious. I'm going to add in a little bit more salt. Squeeze in a teaspoon of lemon juice. Cook the Fulu for around 2 to 4 minutes until the sauce has reduced. Then you're going to add in your capsicum, which is going to add in a very nice flavor to your Fulu. Then you're going to stir in the capsicum and cook for another 1 minute until it is cooked but still crispy. That's how I love my capsicum. And to finish off, you're going to add in some coriander to garnish, lots of it. Put out the flames and stir in. Stir in, then I'm going to check the seasoning if it's perfect. So good. The lemon has brought out all the flavors in the fulu, and the seasoning is just perfect. So this is a very nice way that you can cook fulu at the comfort of your home and enjoy some delicious fulu. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.